you got a bone to pick.
What do you mean, Beach Bear?
Well, I used to date Francis' big sister, right?
Right.
And you used to date Francis' big sister, right?
Right.
And she does it both wrong, right?
Right.
Well, you happen to know this Francis' little sister, right?
Ha 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 ha.
Let's dig to it, Duke.
Little sister, won't you?
Little sister, won't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice, and you say it's very nice, and then you run. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister does? When we dated your big sister, we came to a picture show. We went for some candy, along came your daddy, and they snuck right out the door. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice, and you say it's very nice, and then you run. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister does? Every time I see your sister, well, she's somebody new. She's mean and she's evil like an old boll weevil, 'cause I'm trying my luck with you. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice, and you say it's very nice, and then you run. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister does? Well, I used to pull her pigtails
And pinch her turned up nose.
that she's been growing
And baby, it's been showing.
from her head. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice, and you say it's very nice, and then you run. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister does?
Well,
Little sister, don't you do what your big sister does? Sister, don't you do what your big sister does? Don't you do it, 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 don't you do it. My sister, don't you do what you big, don't you do hard love?